make sure that they gives a strong start to their team, at least 30 runs in first two overs.
And here we begin the first over of this match, the final match of this tournament. Both teams taking their time, setting the field. The first ball was a full toss, nicely played down the leg side. We'll just have to settle for a single. Praveen on strike.
Nicely defended.
Dances down the track. I think that's gone all the way for 6. I think this was a very gettable catch, but unfortunately it goes for a 6. Fortunately for the team, for the batting side, unfortunately for the bowling side, obviously goes for a 6. Rakesh wanted a single here, but sent back by Praveen. हे बॉल बघ ना किती झाले. 4 बॉल झालेत.
2 बॉल बाकी.
Nicely played for a single here. 8 runs at the end of 5 balls. Rakesh on strike. Nicely played
for 2 runs. At the end of 1 over, score is 10 for no loss.
Yogesh will bowl the second over of this innings. Praveen will face him. Setting field for himself. Just wanted to flick it down the leg side, but no success, no connect. Goes down the track and tries
and that's a 6. सुंदर असा षटकार. प्रवीणची इनिंग खूपच इम्पॉर्टंट ठरणार आहे या मॅच साठी. पुन्हा एक आणि 6 नाही. सिंगल रन गिवन बाय दी अंपायर्स.
खूप सुंदर अशी फिल्डिंग बाउंड्री लाईन वर. A grounded shot. A direct hit by Sanchit. Appeal. Umpires are not interested.
Last 2 balls of this over. 18 runs on the board. White ball.
Nicely left by Praveen. He's just standing out of the crease a little bit to get that acceleration.
Oh, what an effort, what an effort.
Some applause coming for Mr. Gansota from the audience. Looks like he's one of the favorites.
गुडघा फोडून घेतलाय त्यांनी.
A wonderful shot. And we could see a lot of cheering happening for the batting side here.
16 रन आले आहेत त्या ओव्हर मधून.
So 26 at the end of 2 overs. Mr. Shetty will bowl the third over here. प्रवीण आपल्या वैयक्तिक 15 रन्स वर खेळत आहे 8 बॉल्स मध्ये आणि राकेश कुमारचे 10 रन झाले 4 बॉल्स मध्ये.
सुंदर असा स्टार्ट मिळाला आहे डिविंगला. अविनाश शेट्टी इज द नेक्स्ट बॉलर. प्रवीण खेळत आहे 15 रन्स वर आणि राकेश.
प्रवीण इज टेकिंग हिज मार्क. Very nicely played, very sensible batting, I must say. They are going for the loose balls and just taking singles wherever the ball is a little good, not wasting the balls at all. Completely bitten and given. Try to dance down the track, stepped out, and very nicely collected by Jordan and stump out.
So Jordan was very quick behind the wicket. He gave no chance to Rakesh to come back into his crease, and it was given out by umpire.
So that was the fall of the first wicket, and Sumit is on the pitch right now. He's the captain of the innings, captain of the side. Let's see what he has to do. There was a thick edge, but I think couldn't connect it properly. Wonderful ball.
A two dot deliveries. Momentum is getting shifted in favor of A Wings here.
2 balls to go.
Another dot delivery. It's a third dot ball
Sumit,
in the row.
Sumit was just checking if there was a wide ball, but not interested. This one will definitely be a very wide ball down the leg side. Some discussion happening between the batsmen here, taking their time. Yes, 1 to go. Nicely hit for a single. बहुत ही चुस्त फील्डिंग देखने को मिल रही है यहाँ पे. At the end of 3 overs, the defenders are at around 28. 29. So Jordan will bowl the 4th over of this innings. This is the final match. Just to remind the audience, whoever is watching this on YouTube, this is the final match. Last 2 overs of the first innings. Wonderful ball. Completely beaten. The captain departs. Mr. Manmeet is stepping out. क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप ऋषि अभी तक के इनिंग्स के बारे में?
आई थिंक 2 ओवर्स तक मोमेंटम डी विंग के साथ था, बट अभी उन्होंने
कम बैक किया है.
एक गिफ्ट में रैप करके वो ए विंग को दे दिया है. इट्स ऑल ऑन मनमीत नाउ.
A white ball.
They can't keep Praveen out of the strike for very long.
A very loud appeal by Sanchit, but Archit is not interested.
He was surely quick, but ball was very slow to reach out to him.
A very good captaincy here. ये रिव्यू ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
Umpires, प्लीज जाके चेक कर लो एक बार.
I request the umpires to check on YouTube whether this was a stump out or not. A very good use of the rules and the options available right now. This is the first time the review is being taken. I feel this must be out, but let's see. This is the first time in this tournament that the team is taking a review. This option was available only after the group matches. So this is the final, and it is a very good decision by the bowling side to take a review of this match, of this ball, to decide whether Manmeet is out or not. I somehow have the feeling that he was short of his crease, but let's see what YouTube has to show. A very crucial moment of this match. सबके दिल की धड़कनें तेज होते हुए यहाँ पे कि क्या डिसीजन आएगा. स्पेशली मनमीत की धड़कन तेज होते हुए. What is the decision? दो बॉल हुआ है और रिव्यू में यह पता चला है कि मनमीत सेफ है, but a good attempt by and good use of rules by Sanchit. He was really quick behind the stumps. 2 बॉल हुए अभी और 30 रन हुए. Goes for a big shot. I think he'll have to settle for a 4. Manmeet has decided to open his arms, free his shoulders and accelerate. Oh, that was a very loose fielding attempt by Avinash. A good shot by Praveen here again.
Last ball.
A simple catch.
And a
For
good
Varun.
catch.
So at the end of 4 overs, the defenders are on 36. 36 at the end of 4 overs. They will at least have to try and score 20 runs in this over. Minimum 20 runs is what is required. 36. 36 at the end of 4 overs. The bowling team is strategizing here, giving some confidence to the bowler here, to Mr. Sameer. Let's see how much runs are coming out of the last over. Praveen is playing since beginning. He scored 17 runs of 10 balls. Wide ball. This is exactly what they have to avoid in such a critical match. Again a wide. Sameer taking his time to settle his nerves. Came back very strongly, but no. This is again a no ball.
No ball. Keeper change was not called.
So this was a very silly mistake from the bowling side. Specifically from the wicket keeper. I did not want to call it out to avoid the embarrassment. Uncalled for in such a high
1 run
voltage.
declared, Ashnar.
Nicely played. Converted into full toss. Going for a second run. And a commitment and a full dive by Rakesh here. He safely makes it inside. A very interesting match for all the audience. Praveen has been exceptionally good in this tournament all the way along.
That's what I was telling. You can't keep him away from the strike for very long.
Swung to the fullest of his capacity but could not connect. Had this been connected, it would have been definitely 6.
One check. First check.
First check warning given by Anup
He
Saindane.
was throwing this ball to his opponent, Sanjay Punjabi. And another good shot.
Very wonderful running. Very good running between the wickets. Both
Very-
these batsmen are very quick between the wickets.
Rakesh is running for Rambo, who's yet to face a ball.
dances down the track. Aja is the call. Going for the second run here. Comfortably makes it. I think it's given. He's given him out. The batting side has decided to take a review here. We will also have to see whether Rakesh has made it in the crease or not. I think the point of discussion here was whether the stumps were already dismantled, and we just have to see whether the batsman has made it to the crease or not. I think they have the option of review here, so might as well take it. Might as well take it. स्टंप उठा के आउट कर दिया है, बट बैट्समैन क्रीज में पहुंचा कि नहीं ये भी चेक करना है. सो रिव्यू नहीं लिया यहां पे राकेश पवेलियन में लौटते हुए. (48) The score is 48 at the end of 4.4 overs. 2 balls to go. 49 हो चुका है, एक रन ऐड हुआ है अभी. 49 5 बॉल्स, एक बॉल बचा है यहां पे. लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग्स. लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द इनिंग्स.
लास्ट बॉल इनिंगचा लास्ट बॉल आहे. 49 आहे स्कोर. It's a 6.
It was very obvious that he had to go for it and successfully converted. Some good strategy here by the defenders. They've put up a very respectable total here in the finals. It's a high nerve match, a very crucial one. They've scored 55 for the loss of 4 wickets at the end of 5 overs.
Praveen played 17 balls and he scored 33 runs.
He's been exceptional.
I was telling you this only. He's your man. You need to keep him on strike. And it was third and half of the fourth over where he didn't get a single ball to play, and there they lost the momentum. Or else we could have seen 70 currently on the board.
Absolutely.
And it would have been a mammoth of task for A-Wing to chase down the massive total. I would say the things are evenly poised. It's a final. Pressure is on the chasing side now. 56 is not a small total to chase. But when you have players like Abhijit, Varun, Sanchit and rest in your army, anything is possible. To talk about D-Wing, they have likes of Rambo, Sanjay, Sujay, Sumit and Parth.
But
so it's evenly poised. Let's see who will take the trophy and who will take the runner-up trophy.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you. But as I said, this is a final match and this is the game of nerves right now. The talent is there obviously, but what will matter right now is how the teams are taking on their nerves and managing their nerves right now. Both these sides are very talented, but how they fare at this point in time is very important, and that will decide who lifts the coveted trophy. So we are about to start with the second innings of this match. The target is 56 runs to win this match. They've put up 55 on the board. Mr. Varun will face the first ball of this innings. It's not a very high total, I guess, considering that teams have chased say 60-70 runs also. Let's begin. Oh, completely beaten.
That's a final pressure, my friend. That's a pressure in final.
That's what I was talking about, the nerves.
And nicely hit.
बहुत ही चुस्त fielding.
And
The ball literally came back within 2 seconds.
somehow Parth was able to collect it. Score is 1 run of 2 deliveries.
Nicely played.
And that's a catch. Sumit picks it up. Abhijit has to depart.
It's been very unfortunate for the batting side right now. Abhijit goes for a big shot, but unfortunately lands in the hands of Sumit.
He played
He's
he
been
played very nicely in every match.
throughout the tournament.
Correct.
So Pratik Malusure will replace Abhijit Desle. It's very crucial to see how the innings will be placed and paced both.
It's a wide delivery. A dot ball.
Very good line has been bowled by Rambo. There was a thick edge here. Good commitment by Parth. I guess he's a little injured, but we are not seeing any dip in the commitment.
At the end of over 1, it's 2 for loss of 1 crucial wicket. They lost their captain.
Some words of wisdom shared here between the batsman and the captain. At the end of the first over, the batting side has just scored 2 runs and they've lost their very important wicket.
And fielding team is having a team meeting to discuss about who will bowl the next over.
I think the captain and the bowling side is taking their time to properly strategize and decide properly who has to bowl the next over. And it is very important also.
Looks like it's Sumit who will bowl the second over of this match. Rambo थोड़ा लवकर यावे.
Rambo is a little injured here.
रॅम्बोला स्ट्रेचर पाहिजे. व्हीलचेअर हवंय रॅम्बोला.
Lot of drama to unfold yet. Nicely played, but we'll just have to settle for a single. Rishi, what do you think? Were there 2 runs there?
Yeah, but second run would have been riskier.
Oh, I think that'll get them 2 runs.
Went really close. 2 runs given.
This has been a good over so far for defenders. Let's see if they defend this total.
Yeah, they have their name defenders, so I'm sure they'll be able to defend this.
They have to stay true to their team name. They have to defend this. Wonderfully played. Is that a 4? Yes, it goes for a 4. Varun plays a very grounded shot. It went like a rocket and Manmit couldn't stop it. It's 10 runs right now, Varun. 10 runs on the scoreboard. And this is the last ball of this second over. Decides to keep the strike with him. I personally feel they will have to accelerate from here. They will decide for themselves whether they want to accelerate in the last 2 overs.
Yeah, I mean, as you said, it's always difficult to chase in this final match. And, looks like they will need to accelerate in this over, or it will become impossible for next batsman later on to come up and score probably 40 runs in last 2 overs.
Just to highlight here, Parth had taken couple of wickets in the last match, so let's see what he has to do.
I mean, this would be an interesting over for this final. Either you will see a sixes or a wickets.
Very nicely saved by Sanjay. Wonderful shot. As you was mentioning, this is the first six of this over. Varun really trying to finish things up here. Much needed six. Again goes for a big one and successfully converts this to a 6 runs. A very good shot. That puts Parth under tremendous pressure. Let's see how he manages his nerves now. The equation right now is 33 required of 15 balls. This is a very interesting match happening here. Varun is not interested in rotating strike right now because he's hit 2 sixes. 2 balls to go. Again dances down the track but unable to connect it properly, but will have to settle for a single. That brings Pratik Malusere on the strike. The equation right now, I would just like to mention 32 required of 13 balls. Is there a no ball? Yes, given no. Nicely taken by Praveen. They will get 2 runs here. Still 1 ball to go. This is what is the defenders will have to avoid right now. No giving extra.
Bowlers need to be disciplined at this moment.
He's been very disciplined all this while, but I think this is a very important match. Varun dances down the track again, but will have to settle for a single. So at the end of 3 overs, they've scored 27. 29 runs required. 29 required of the last 2 overs. Desley giving some motivation to the batter. Probably that's the hint of going for big shots.
Sanjay Punjabi is yet to bowl in this match. He is their leading wicket taker.
And that is why they've preserved him for the last over.
Not sure if that's the correct trick or they have missed it in this match.
The time will tell. Chirag to bowl the next one, the penultimate over. Rambo has to share something with his side right now. I think Rishi, this is what is prompting them to probably consider Sanjay right now. Or will they go with Chirag? They are going with Chirag.
You should never trust commentators.
So 29 required of the last 12 balls. A couple of sixes and the game will turn.
And that's a first. And he catches it. Varun departs. Jordan takes his place.
Varun has scored 21 of 12 balls. It was a very good innings by him.
It was absolutely great inning because their team total is 27. So he has done all the hard work for his team in this match. Also taken good catches while fielding. And edge and taken.
A very good bowling. Very good display of performance by the bowling side right now. Jordan goes for a duck.
A little brain dead moment for Abhijit. But Sanchit is on the strike. You can trust him in such situations. And if somehow D-Wing manages to take his wicket, I think they will sail through this match and grab the trophy.
I would just like to mention the equation here. 29 required of 10 balls. A white ball. Is that out? The bowling side is very confident that it is out. The umpires cannot take a review, but yes, the other side can. हे रिव्ह्यू झाले का दोन्ही? This is a very crucial moment of this match. Some consultation happening here. The umpires want to check what has happened here. I think they have all the right to check because this is a very important match and a very crucial moment of this match right now. The decision of this particular ball will change the tide of this match. As we saw that the bowling side is very confident of this wicket. It is being reviewed right now. सबके दिल की धड़कनें तेज होते हुए, खास करके बैटिंग साइड की. अगर ये विकेट गिरता है तो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आगे क्या होगा, बिकॉज द इक्वेशन राइट नाउ इज 28 रन्स रिक्वायर्ड ऑफ 10 बॉल्स. अगर ये विकेट होती है तो 9 बॉल्स हो जाएंगे और 28 रन्स ही रहेंगे.
तुमच्या मते नाही का आउट आहे की नाही?
आता इथून कुठे दिसते आपल्याला?
मला पण तो मध्ये ना एक माणूस आला त्यामुळे बॉल दिसला नाही कुठे. बॉल भेटला मला पण तो मध्ये आला त्यामुळे कॅच कशी वगैरे ते नाही दिसलं.
What is the decision?
Not out.
The decision is not out. So
Not-
Sanchit stays.
Not out.
प्रतीक के कंधों पर 28 रन्स का भार. हाँ 3 बॉल. तीन मध्ये 27 हवेत.
He was not able to connect it nicely. Ends up getting single.
26 हवेत 26.
8 बॉल 26 रन. 4 षटकारांचा गेम आहे. सात बॉल 25 रन.
स्टेप आउट करून मारण्याचा प्रयत्न केलाय पण कनेक्ट नाही झाला व्यवस्थित. दुसरा रन पण घेतलेला आहे आणि कदाचित आउट आहे.
It was a risky run and risk was taken because that was required.
The defenders are almost celebrating.
24 runs required from the last over, and who will bowl the last over? Any guesses?
I guess it has to be Punjabi.
Yeah, last over specialist Sanjay Punjabi. He has done it many times in the past. Can he do it one more time for his team?
I reckon he has even defended runs below 6 overs in the last couple of tournaments.
Yeah,
So,
I mean,
so 28 is not a task for him.
24 is a huge comfort for him, but he is facing none other than
The one and only Sanjay.
Sanjit, the legend. Jersey number 7, Thala for a reason.
Fielding side is taking their own time to set the field properly. The last over of this match, the last over of this tournament. Just couple of good bowls and they are through.
And the shot, and catch taken
Comfortably
again
taken.
by Sumit.
And Sanjay Punjabi celebrates for a reason.
He gives a nice look to his friend Sumit. No, Samir. Samir looks very tense. Looks like a double heartbreak for him. Back to the match. 5 balls, 24 runs required. चार बॉल 23 रन. योगेश स्ट्राईकवर.
I guess they just have to bowl legal deliveries now.
Bold. Another wicket in the kitty. A good day in the office for Sanjay. Looks like he will be proud of himself today. His family is watching live on the YouTube.
Game mein raho is what I understand. Is what we are hearing from the captain. Game mein raho. I feel they are already they've already won the finals. फक्त सोपस्कर करायचं काय म्हणतात
3 बॉल 23 रन. फक्त लिगल डिलिव्हरीज टाकायच्या आहेत. पुढे येऊन मारला आहे. अनदर कॅच, अनदर विकेट. संजय सेलिब्रेट्स, डी विंग सेलिब्रेट्स. नाउ looks like this year they are going to lift this trophy and get the glory home.
आय थिंक संजयने आपलं नाव बेस्ट बॉलरच्या ट्रॉफीवर कोरलंय.
It would be great to see Sanjay taking another wicket of his opponent Samir Ganesotta and ending this battle which has started since morning. And that's
Very
a
good show.
direct throw. It's a complete cinema. Diving becomes the champion of Dosti West County. That's a huge victory. A huge round of applause.
Very well played. Congratulations.
So, संजय भाई, आपको कैसे लग रहा है?
I am nervous at the moment, but winning the bowler of the tournament is something that I was waiting for since many seasons, and today finally I won it. Thank you everyone.
Great.